How to add the tracking number on eBay dropshipping. I'm going to show you how you can easily add a tracking number on eBay dropshipping. Once you've sent your item, you can add tracking details to the Seller Hub or My eBay, whether your item was bought by an eBay member or a guest buyer. You can also edit or delete tracking details in the same place. On the Seller Hub Orders page, first go to Paid and Shipped and find your order. Now, select the order by checking the box next to it. Select the Dispatch drop-down menu and then add the tracking number. Then, add, edit or delete the tracking number and the carrier. Then select Save. The buyer will then get an email with the order tracking details. On My eBay, go to the Orders section of My eBay. Next, from the More actions, select Add Tracking Number. Now, add, edit, or delete the tracking number and the carrier. Finally, select Submit. You can also scan the tracking QR code in your mobile app by selecting Add Tracking Number on the item page.